Good morning and thank you for coming. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nimadi Wirasjawati, and the topic of my talk today is about motivation in reading, especially an expectancy plus value model. Why I choose this topic? Because in the simple sense, motivation is what makes people do or not do something. Motivation is similar to attitudes in some respect. Franken, 1988, writes that the study of motivation has traditionally been concerned with the arousal, direction, and persistence of behavior. To understand motivation, we can study some psychological approach. Among these models, one model is particularly helpful from a teacher's point of view. And then the point of this expectancy plus value models is that people do what they expect to accomplish successfully and tend to avoid what they expect they can accomplish. Okay. I'm going to divide my presentation today into two main sections. The first is motivation in second language, and the second is primary variables in motivation. The first point is motivation and second language reading. There are two variables. The first is the expectancy and value. In this expectancy, there are materials and reading ability in second language. The materials include how interesting the topic, how interesting the material, and the linguistic level. The materials will influence the reading ability. And then the second is value. It includes the attitudes toward reading in the second language. The attitudes influenced by socio-cultural and environment, including influence of family and friends. And then the four variables, and there are materials, reading ability, and then attitudes, and the socio-cultural environment will build motivation. And then from this motivation, there are a decision to read in the second language or not. And then move to the second topic. The topic is primary variables in motivation. Two of variables in this model. There are materials and attitudes. We can say that it can be claimed that they are very important variables in students' reading ability in second language. When a student doesn't have a good or positive attitude, and the material is not appropriate with them, their motivation will low, or there will be lack of motivation for a learner to decide to read in second language. And then on the other hand, a low reading ability or non-conducive socio-cultural environment can be compensated if teachers can promote positive second language attitudes and provide appropriate materials. And then to summarize my point, the first is there are some variables that motivate students' desire to read in second language, and then materials and attitudes are very important variables to improve students' motivation to reading in second language. And in my opinion, attitudes and attitudes and materials are important aspects to improve students' reading ability and students' motivation to read in second language. Both of them must work together. To make it happen, there are teachers' rules.